Cool. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So basically we'll be drawing this first part of the machine drawing clamp. So as always, you come to parts, new, file, new, then standard MMIPT and create. So the first thing we want to do, we come to 2D sketch, and as always I want to start from the side. I'll be drawing on this plane. So I pick my line 2, I come to the center here, then I go backwards distance 152 on a straight line. 152, enter. Sorry, let me expand. And I'm going upwards 90 degrees, man, straight. No, yeah, it's now straight. So I'm going distance 50 plus 30. So some of you might be wondering, how did I get 50 plus 30? Let me explain. Sorry, let me go to this other image, part 1. So 50 plus 30 in the sense that they told us from here to this top is 40, and we are being told in another image that from here to this point is 50. So we need to find the distance of this tall line here, which is 10. So I said 40, which is height of here to here, minus 10, which is 30. So I got 30 from here to here, adding it with 50 from the top here. I don't know if I'm making sense, but please kindly catch up. So I come to my parts, then I go upwards. I'm doing the total height of 80, enter. Let me zoom out again so you see it. I come leftwards. Yeah, I'm drawing 32 but not fully 32, so I have to respect the 3 there. So 32 minus 3 is 29, so I input 29, enter. I come downwards to height 32, enter. Then I go left toward distance 3, enter, and I come downwards. Okay, you have to do the math here, saying 152 minus 108 minus 32, that is 12, I think. Okay, no, this is height 50. Sorry, 50 minus 32. 50 minus 32 should be, sorry, where's my calculator? Clear. 50 minus 32, 18. Okay, this distance will be 18. Minimize. I'm coming downwards here, 18, enter. So I'm coming leftwards, which is 12. The calculation I was doing the other time, 152 minus 108 minus 32, I have 12. So I go distance 12. Then I go upwards again, the distance 10 that we did by subtracting from 40 to get 30, that we added to 50. So here is distance 10, enter, and we are going leftwards to the wall on a straight line. And if you're checking, well, you should have 108 on dots, then bring it back to the origin, right click, then okay. I hope I wasn't too fast, and I hope you're able to catch up. So we come to finish sketch and we click on extrude, then we extrude the guy. I love to extrude symmetry because all sides are equal, and we know that our total thickness is 76. Enter 76, and yeah, I'm done. So the next thing I want to do is I want to come to this plane and begin a new sketch. And I'm sorry in case things are complicated because I'm using 2024 versions. Few things might be very different from yours, but please try catch up with me. So I pick up my line to now. I come anywhere here, but not the center, just anywhere here. I don't, oh sorry, that's a mistake. Right click, escape, Ctrl Z. Make sure you're not drawing it on the center. Don't look for the green dots. You're going to be stuck. You won't be able to adjust it. So just draw anywhere, but make sure the line is straight from one edge to the other edge. Yep. Right click, OK. Then I come to dimension 2. I touch here to here. I'm measuring 30. Zooming back again. I come here, draw distance 19. So how do I get the 19? If you look at your drawing, we have the center to be 38, right? That's somewhere around here is 38. So all I did is 76. The total length minus 38, which is 38 divided by 2, I got 19. So I'll be drawing distance 19 on both my left and right hand side. 19, right click, OK. Pick my line 2 again, come to the other edge, L. My line 2 is L for shortcut key. Toggle it on. So I come to the right hand side, also do the same on a straight line, line 19, enter, right click, OK. So I come again to my line to touch the edge of this guy, drag it down. Now don't let it end on any line, just put it anywhere in the center here, in the mid here. Let it hang there. Pick your line 2 again, Do the same thing on the right hand side. Line 2, do the same thing on the right hand side. Yeah, right click, okay. Then the next thing you want to do is pick your dimension tool, touch this line and the floor, then bring it out angle, change it to 60, a 60 degree, enter. Do the same thing on this other side, touch each other and you get another 60 degree, enter. Yeah, then we'll go back to our trim tool. You begin to trim out the unnecessary parts. Yeah, we didn't draw anything set, so there's nothing to trim. We click on OK and we finish sketch. So I come to extrude, I touch on this guy, or I don't even need to touch on me, I lighted himself already. I go backwards, but the depth is 108, so I click 108 to cut to the end, and I click OK. Okay, so next we want to do is we click on that face, then edit our sketch or create a sketch, I mean. Then you want to draw a line from the top to the down part. From here, I draw a line on 90 degree downwards, right click OK. Then I come to line again. I draw another line with any distance downwards, right click OK. That's bad. I reverse my step, go back to line 2, touch again, then drag it downwards on 90 degree, right click OK. And I click on my dimension to touch this wall to that wall. I have distance 19, enter. I go to dimension to once again, touch the other wall. I have 19 also, enter. And I finish my sketch. Okay, then I finish sketch. I come to extrusion, I click on that interface, backwards, then cut at distance 4 mm. Okay. Rolling. So in continuation, I come to this surface here. I click on add sketch or create sketch, I mean, or then I zoom in closer. I pick my circle tool. So I pay attention to this dot here. Can you see it's giving me a green dot? So I go upwards. You can see that dotted line. That's to tell me I'm in the center. So I draw circle radius, the diameter 10, radius 5. So diameter 10, enter, right click, okay. I come to my dimension tool, because I'm being told from here to the floor is distance 20 mm, 20, enter. Then I finish my sketch, I extrude it, chords, inwards, distance 108, 108, enter. Then I come to my thread, I click on that cylinder and I press OK. That's all. So I come next to this face, add a sketch or create a sketch. Zooming as always, I'm drawing 3 circles. So remember I told you one circle is in the center, so I look for the center with the green light. Then I come downwards, I draw a circle of diameter 5, enter. So I right click OK. I pick my dimension tool. I know from the center to the top is 16, so I input 16 mm, 16, enter. Right click OK. I'm sure the circle is in the center, so all I just do is I try to trace this guy rightwards. Can you see that? So I draw another circle diameter 5, enter. I right click OK. Then I pick my dimension tool. From this center to this center, I was being told it's 22, 2 and 2, enter. So I draw the same circle again, trace this line, yeah, draw a circle, 5 diameter, enter. No, this doesn't look straight. Okay, Ctrl Z, pick my circle tool once again, then draw diameter 5, enter. Yeah, this looks straight. Then I come on dimension 2, so I'm being told the center to the center is also 22, 22, enter. So I finish my sketch and I come to extrude. I click on each circles, I think. So I'm cutting backwards all through. That's all. And I come to thread. I click on this guy, this guy. Okay, I think I have to click plus on this end, M5 6H. Yeah, M5 and 6H. Okay, I click on plus to touch this guy. I click on plus to touch this guy. So I have these three guys. Alright guys, thank you very much and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Yeah, then last thing guys, I touch generic, then let's make it black. I think that's iron cast. And let's see, iron cast, yeah, black panther.